Hey guys, so here's another bracelet. I've started it out. I have sewn it. I'll show you here how I done it here and put this end on it. So what I did was just kind of put it together. Make sure it's straight. And okay, so it makes it like this. So I took this piece well, if I can get it over it. Okay, so now I have it over it and I'm going to kind of press to get it to stay. Alright, so I'm going to take this. I have some more somewhere I need to be using instead of these, but I will try to find them. So I just make sure it's pressed down really good. Okay, that's pretty good. It should stay. Alright, so what I'm going to do is here, I think on each side I'm going to kind of sew it so it will stay down and it won't twist. I'm hoping this is going to work. I'm going to try it. It's really thick, so I don't have a blue jean needle in here or anything. So I'm going to turn around, sew back down. Hopefully this is not going to show too bad. So it's not really going to show because that fuzz will kind of bring it. I just want it to kind of stay down straight. So I'm going to sew this side too. I'll sew it right here. Alright, so kind of got it straight, and I want this. I want to use this piece, so I'm just going to bring it through here for like my buckle. And I want it to kind of puff out, so I don't know. I don't want that to turn, that's the only thing. Let's see what that's going to work like. Yeah, it may be alright. And then you could probably kind of work with it too. Okay. So So that looks like it's in the middle. I'm going to leave it so it can be kind of rolled back and forth, but so I'm going to put the end on it. Don't have my glasses on, so there we go. Seems like I was going to half these, I think is what I was going to do. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to take this one. Let's see which side here. I'm going to take this one off as well. Oops. I think that's the right side. I may be wrong. Well, so 1, 2, 3. It was this one. Yeah, it's that side. I'm feeling for the little rough part there. Let's try this again. There we go. So I'm going to take that off. Put that one back on. Definitely need my glasses on. I think I got it. Oh my goodness. Now goes my big piece. Okay. So let's get it on there. Alright. Huh. Well, having a little bit of trouble. Of course, that's the way it is. Let's try to open this piece back up here just a little bit so we can get it back on here. And now finally I want to get it put here. Let's see. Or do I want that on the other side? Hold on just a second. So if I have it here, okay. I think that's good. Trying to figure out which side to like put it together, this part, which side it should be on. I guess it depends on the person's right or left-handed, or they can get someone to help them put it on like I have to do all the time, because I can't never do it myself. It just never works. Alright, so I've got that side on. Now let's do this side. Maybe this one won't be so bad. And it's that side because it's rough. There we go. kind of harder to bring them back together for me. I always end up having to just close them with one pair. I always try to pull them, make sure they're going to stay. Alright, so this one was like just real easy. Well, anyway, it can be made for about a 7-inch wrist. Have a little bit of leeway here, so yeah, probably about a 7-inch wrist, I would say. But I thought that was really cute and very simple. Just really simple, like a little belt buckle type thing. So I really thought that was just, it's dressy. It can be dressy, or you can kind of, you know, dress it down. So, oops, the light's not good, sorry. I'll put it right here. So that's one that's really easy as well. Okay.